Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to move songs on the Spotify playlist. So if you want to move the songs on the Spotify playlist, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Spotify mobile application and log into your account. After that, you have to click on the your library and you have to select the playlist you want to move the song. So let's suppose this is my playlist and few songs are here. Simply you will see three dot icon in the middle, just click on it, and here you will see different options. Click on the edit playlist, and once you will do it, here you will see three lines after the song name. Just drag it and you can move song in this way. Once you will do it, you have to click on the right top save button, and you can see the order is changed now. So this is the simple way to move songs on the Spotify playlist. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.